Today we're diving into the world of finance, uncovering some top tricks and hacks to boost your financial health. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your financial journey, these tips are sure to elevate your game. The last one is most important, so watch the video till the end. But before that, if you haven't subscribed or new on this channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Now let's get started. Trick number 1. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first by setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings account. This ensures that you're consistently putting money aside for your future goals, without the temptation to spend it elsewhere. Trick number 2. Maximize your credit card rewards. Take advantage of cashback, travel miles, and other perks offered by your credit card. But make sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Trick number 3. Negotiate your bills. Whether it's your cable, internet, or insurance bill, don't be afraid to negotiate for a better rate. You'd be surprised how often companies are willing to lower their prices to keep you as a customer. Trick number 4. Meal plan and grocery shop strategically. By planning your meals for the week and making a shopping list, you can avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Plus, buying in bulk and cooking at home can save you a ton of money in the long run. Trick number 5. Invest in yourself. Whether it's through further education, learning new skills, or starting a side hustle, investing in yourself can lead to increased earning potential and financial security. So viewers, these are the top 5 financial tricks and hacks to help you improve your financial condition. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can achieve your goals. If you like this video, please make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments section down below, and subscribe for more informative and motivational content. Until next time, stay savvy and keep hustling.